Hey, what's up, honeycrunchers? It's me, Jam, and welcome back to honeycrunch321. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys the two sets of their gift from Sassy Colors. First, we have their Sassy Colors nail polishes. We have the shades Tahiri Brown, White Satin, Pink Lilac, Black, Sunkiss, Berry Red, Rainbow Tan, Fire Opal, Baby Pink, Blue Hawaii, Blue Lagoon, Neon Yellow, and Baby Blue. Next, we have our Sassy Colors Magic Gel Nail Polishes. We have the shades Misty Green, Vanilla Pop, Blank, Chocolate, and Beige. And I also received label polishes. We have the shades Honeydew, Touch of Tan, Atlantis, and Dolly Pink. Thank you so much, Sassy Colors, for all of these. Check out Sassy Colors on Instagram, Facebook, Shopee, and Lazada. Links will be available on the description box below. Don't forget to hit like, share this video to your awesome friends, and subscribe. If you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to follow me on my social media pages. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Stay safe. Bye!